Everybody, welcome to Saturday Black Alive. I'm your host, Robert Crowder, and we have a special guest today, Jackson Bramer. Come on here, Jackson.
Thank you. Yes, I am an ex-porn star.
Oh yeah, he did, like, I don't know, it's called White Boy Gone Wild.
I know. Let's look at this condom I got here. This is a condom.
Amazing.
I know. Get back here. Okay. Let's put that down for now.
Alright.
Pull that out later in the show.
Alright, so Jackson been talking to me about
Black people.
Yeah.
I mean, nobody likes them. I mean, they're just like, what the hell? I mean, we come into our country. Actually, we brought them into the country, but
yeah,
I mean, they're worthless. We have to get 50 of them to do one job. That's how worthless they are.
Yeah, we just whip out our dicks and go, hey, I'm free.
Oh my God, yeah. I mean, I am free. You are not free.
Wait, what?
Get out of here. So, white people are better than black people. So, yeah.
Hey, excuse me. You know, this is broadcast on BET, Black Entertainment Television.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Yeah. Go, Whitey. WET. Wit. Go.